Well, I don't know what kind of angle that is, but we're on the wrong camcorder simply because we've not enough tripods here, and we're kind of still doing an HMV Stereo Master 2011 or whatever it is, 2111. Don't know. Anyway, we've got here a great GT868. This one's appearing as Baracuda GT868, and it is in its box. It's immaculate, and if you saw the repair video, it's got a blown up capacitor inside it, which was sorted out, and it's got a tune-up. It actually does 4 watts. These are a 3.5 watt radio, but this one's doing 4 watts. We're going to run on the standard replacement mic, and then we're going to go right at the end of the base station through with the factory original mic. So hopefully Mr. Chippie's raring to go, and there we are. Tango 21 test. Oh, it's not going to work there, is it? Tango 21 test. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Now the last set we did an on-the-air test with was a CPT radio, and the last thing I said to Mr. Chippie as he went out the door is, remember this is UK frequencies and not CPT. Tango 21 test. Are you there, Mr. Chippie? Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
I've remembered now.
Yeah, I'm just calling you on CPT on the walkie-talkie just in case. I've just said this to video. Last thing I said to him.
Yeah, I'm sitting there thinking, oh, this is taking a while. Oh no, shit, I'm still on CPT.
Roger on that. Right, I'll just plug my extension speaker and then we're off.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
There we go, that should be okay.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we don't have a tone control.
Roger. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger Dodger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger Dodger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Baracuda GT868 radio from 1981, and it's on a standard replacement bike, and it's corresponding 4 watts over.
Yep, Roger. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Baracuda GT868 from 1981. I'm on a standard replacement microphone. The radio is doing a full 4 watt output, which is unusual for these, because they're a 3.5 watt radio. It's drawing exactly 1 amp, and we're going to go to low power, which is not full. It's 320, something like that. So we're going to go to low power now, 54321. Doing about 300 milliwatts, 212, 345, going 150 milliamps of current, going back to full power. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, Roger, no problem on full power. Low power had to override disqualification. You were quite noisy and hard to hear, but there does seem to be some noise in the background, and I think we're getting leaves back on trees, etc. now.
Yeah, just looking in the garden and I can see new growth. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 147.9 and diesel 175.7.
Roger, I think there's been a change there.
Yep, it's dear every day.
Roger on that, well thank you, and 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, petrol 147.9 and diesel 175.7.
Roger, I think there's been a change there.
Yeah, it's dear every day.
Roger on that, well thank you, and 10-10. Right, absolutely excellent. We're going to go through to our base station now with this, onto a Midland 76900, and we're going to start with that microphone, and then we'll go over to the factory original Baracuda mic.
21, testing the Baracuda GT868 using our standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, I'll pop it on low power. There we are on low power. This is a hum test. The idea is if there was a hum on full power, it would diminish on low power. There we are back on full power. Now we're going to swap microphones and go to the original factory one. And testing the factory original microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power for the same reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power. They're back on to full power. So tomorrow we're going to have a Binatone long range of 40 hand portable, which will be interesting because they always work well. Thank you for watching the Baracuda GT868.